Hi, welcome to the Libgdx Android game development. What is Libgdx? Libgdx is a library which is written for mainly game development. So what is the best part of using Libgdx library? So the best part is when we write the code, we only need to write the code for one time, and we can use the same code for Android, for HTML5 pages, and for desktop games. So effectively we are doing one thing and we are getting benefit in three different areas. So it is a very good library which is basically written on the top of OpenGL, and it is currently in construction phase and really very helpful in writing Android games. So when we are talking about Android games, first we need to understand what all things are required for developing Android games. So for Android we write code in Java. So the best tool which we use is Eclipse. So Eclipse is one of the powerful tool which gives us lot of capabilities for debugging and for helping in different tasks. So first, and other thing is, we will be needing Android libraries and Android software development toolkit for writing Android code. So when we want to write the Android code, definitely first we will be needing Android libraries, Android toolkit, ADT, and Android SDK, and plus Eclipse. So let's go to Android homepage. Let's go here. I'll write Android development. So the first link which comes is developer.android.com. This is the link which is very helpful for developers. So they have getting started training. It is give very good tutorial. Simply by seeing the videos and having some references, we can write the Android applications. So let's go to see the training. So it provides a very good training, how to write first app and all those things, dynamic UI. So we'll see these things later. So what we want to do is, okay, let's go and download developers design and all. So let's go and download requirement for Android development. So this we can simply go in tools from the download section, and then so what all we need Eclipse plus Android development toolkit plugin. So what this library, this developer link help us, giving a single place where we can download Eclipse plus all those toolkits or all those tools or external libraries needed for developing Android. So what we do is we simply download the SDK from here and then use it for our Android development. So download, it is asking for confirmation, some terms and conditions. You need to read them before using it, and then okay, select your distribution. What kind of is it 32-bit or 64-bit operating system you are using? I am using for Linux, so that's why I am downloading for Linux. So if you will see, it is downloading. I already have downloaded one, so there is no need to download again. Let's open this. So this is a zip file. If you will see, this is a zip file which is having one ADT bundle dash. This is the operating system which you are using. For me it is Linux, then x86, and then is it 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system. In this they have Eclipse, in which all the required files for the Eclipse, and they have SDK which has all Android development tools required for Android development. So we need to extract it, and simply by extracting we can get all these data. So I already have these things extracted, so let's simply take you. Okay, so this is the Libgdx direct library I have loaded. This is the Android bundle. So let's go to okay, so okay, first I'll start my this is the place. Okay, we have Eclipse and SDK. So what I do is I'll go to the in the Eclipse folder. So this is the folder which I extracted from our ADT bundle Linux zip file, and then I'll go to Eclipse, and then I double click on the Eclipse. It will open the Eclipse. It is asking me for setting up a workspace. I set up my workspace, and then it is opening Eclipse. So this is the simple Eclipse. This is the first time I'm starting Eclipse after downloading. So it has packages and all. So now we are like, this is console which we use to see what all come out, things are running, problems while compiling. So we can, by right clicking in this area, we can start our new Java project, new Android application project, some classes we can create. So these things we can do with these links. We can import already existing files and then refresh it. So for now we are in the next tutorial I'll talk about how to create libgdx live functions and how to create libgdx project, and then how to develop a simple game. So for now